Okay guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how I do my protective style, like one of my best protective style that I like to wear that protect my hair underneath. So as you can see, my hair is first shampooed, it's conditioned and it moisturized. So I like to section my hair in two sections that just give me more space to braid my hair well. So yes, I'm gonna section the other part and just start braiding the first part. So keep on watching. So guys, when I recorded this video, it was 7:30 p.m. So that's why I use my overnight cream from Keracare to keep my hair moisturized during the night. Okay, guys, it is the next morning. I stopped recording last night because it was getting dark outside and I didn't have enough light to continue filming. So that's why I chose to continue in the morning. As you can see, I already did my makeup and everything. So just gonna continue breathing. Alright guys, this is the final look. This is how my hair looks like braided, and let's find out what I'm gonna do with it. Okay guys, this is truly one of the best protective style you can wear. Like wearing a wig can protect the health of your hair, as there is no need to continue damaging it every day with harmful styling product and heat treatment. So why not wearing a wig? You can wear it anytime, anywhere you like, and you can also take it off anytime you desire. And underneath that wig, you can take good care of your hair. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. If you like, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.